GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. Dear children, our first topic, number system. Numbers are everywhere in our daily life. We are using the numbers. Observe the point. Numbers are everywhere in our daily life for counting, measuring, labeling, ordering, and counting. Next. In the most popular number system is the Hindu Arabic system. The most popular, observe all of you, in the most popular system is Hindu Arabic system. In the Hindu Arabic system, we are using the numbers, not a number, symbols. We are using the symbols, look at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these symbols. These symbols names digits. Observe, these symbols are called digits. Okay, children, once again, in a number system where we are using number system, measuring, counting, okay, labeling, ordering, anything, in these situations we are using the numbers. In the most popular number system is Hindu Arabic number system. We are using the symbols 0 to 9. These symbols name or these symbols are called digits. Okay, kids. Next, out of the 10 digits, we have total 10 digits. Count here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of the 10 digits, 0 is the insignificant. Remaining are significant. What is the system? Indian or Hindu Arabic system. Ones like this, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Ones one, tens means 0 added, hundreds 2 zeros, thousand 3 zeros, here 4 zeros, lakhs 5 zero, 10 lakhs 6 zero, 1 crore 7 zero, 10 crores 8 zeros. Okay, 1 tens means 0, that 1 is shifted, you can observe. 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 crore, 8 digits, zeros, 7 zeros. Okay, children, got it? My dear children, next point. Difference between face value and place value. What is place value? What is the face value? Observe left side. Place value. The place value of a digit in a numeral depends upon the place it occupies. Face value. The face value of the digit in a numeral is equal to the digit number itself. Suppose right side, for example, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Face value of the 4 is 4 only. But place value left side, place value, face value of the digit and value of the place it occupied. I mean unit digit to 10 digit to 100 digits, 1000 digits, this type. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the place value of the 7? So place value of the 7 is 7 into what is the position? 100th position. Okay, unit digit, 10 digit, 100 digits, 7 is a. So 700. Next, type of numbers. Natural number. Observe. The counting numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by Y is denoted by N. Okay. Next. Whole numbers. All natural numbers including with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers denoted as a W. Observe, W is equal to bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to etc. Next, integer numbers. All natural numbers including 0 and negative numbers are called integer numbers. Okay, na? Integer numbers denoted as Z. Z means minus infinity to, okay, minus infinity to like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, positive infinite. Even numbers. The natural numbers which are divided by 2 are called as even numbers. 2, 4, 6, everything divided by the 2, so even number. Odd number. The natural numbers which are not divisible by the 2 are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 7, 5, 9, like that. Rational number. Numbers which can written as a form of P by Q. What is the form? P by Q. Form where Q not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers are called rational numbers. Irrational number. Irrational number means numbers which cannot written as a P by Q form. P by Q form. You cannot written as a P by Q form are called irrational number. Look at square root of 5, cube root of 9. Okay. Root 67. Next. Prime number. A number is said to be a prime number if its factors are 1 and itself only. Suppose you can select the 13 factors 1 and 13. This type of 13, this type of number is called prime numbers. Okay, you take any one number, their factors only 1 and itself. Then the number is called prime numbers. Composite number. Number other than 1. Numbers other than 1 which are not a prime are called composite numbers. Observe the point. Numbers other than 1 which are not a prime numbers. So actually other than 1 means 2 is a prime, so leave it. 3 is a prime, leave it. So what is the next? 4. So 4 is the composite number. 6 is the composite number. 8 is the composite number other than prime numbers. First composite number is 4, standard bit, remember. Smallest composite number is 4. Next. Co-prime. Suppose if you select any two numbers, okay, suppose 6, 17. Their common factors 1, 2, 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 17. What is the common factor? Only 1 is the common factor here. So then 6 to 17 is called co-primes. The HCF of any two numbers is 1. The two numbers are called co-prime number. Okay, no? This is the point. Twin primes means the pair of prime numbers which have a difference is 2. The pair of prime numbers which have difference is 2 are called twin primes. So 3 and 5, 11, 13, 17, 19. The pair of prime numbers which have a difference is 2. Okay, no? 11, 13. Both are prime number, difference is 2. So twin prime numbers. So 5, 7, twin prime numbers. 3, 5, twin prime numbers. Next, Roman numbers. The numerals in the ancient Roman system of notation. The numerals in the ancient Roman. The numerals in the ancient Roman system of notation. Symbol, value, symbol. Okay, this is the symbol. Value is 1. V symbol 5. X 10. L 50. C 100. D 500. M 1000.
Geobyte.